guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton Day. You know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here. I'm going to share all the information that you need to know, from photos, detailed photos, prices, SKU, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. We're almost there. I would really appreciate it for every subscription. Thank you so much. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Romero52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Romero5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright guys, so let us start first with the Women's Spring Summer 2025 Runway collection. First, we have the fan clutch bag. So for the price of this one, kindly stand by guys. Also, this collection would be launching February 28, 2025. So you may want to check with your CAs for pre-orders. So this one is made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, and it has wristlets. And then we have this very beautiful Dauphine soft size MM. Price of this one is 4,550 USD. Material is the noir leather, and the trims of this one is made of monogram canvas. The size is 9.4 inches by 6.7 inches by 3.5 inches. It would come with detachable leather strap and chain strap as well. Then we have the classic Go 14 size PM. The price of this one is 6,050 USD. Still from the Women's Spring Summer 2025 Runway collection that will be launching February 2028. Material is the noir leather with white trims. It would come with detachable top handle and detachable chain strap as well. And it would come with gold hardware. Then guys, we have the Ivy wallet on chain. Price of this one is 2,280 USD. Material is the very beautiful Empreinte leather. The colorway of this one is named Biscuit Beige. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap that you could wear as a crossbody, and it would come with a chain strap as well. Next, we have the side trunk, and this one is new guys because the size of this one is GM. So the price of this one is 4,400 USD. Materials monogram canvas, and as you're going to see the top handle, it would come with an added chain, so you could wear this one as a longer shoulder bag. Then it would come with detachable adjustable leather strap, so you could wear this one as a crossbody as well. Then it would come in the side trunk size PM. Price of this one is 4,200 USD. Material is in Empreinte leather. Colorway is named Biscuit Beige. It would come with detachable chain strap. It would come with leather strap as well. It would come with gold hardware, S-lock for closure, and it would come classic side trunk details. Then we have the Chunky. So this is a new bag. Price of this one is 3,200 USD. Still part of the Women's Spring Summer 2025 Runway collection. Material is the slouchy monogram canvas as we could see here. It would come with black leather trims. Size is 10.6 by 6.3 by 3.1 inches. It would have a sliding chain detail as well. Then we have the, I'm not really sure of the pronunciation of this one. It's Rivage size BB. Price is 2,830 USD. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is a reissue, guys, of the 1999 Noctambule bag. Size is 7.1 inches by 4.7 by 2.8 inches. Next, we have a new collection. So this is the chocolate Empreinte. So first we had the Félicie Pochette. So guys, this is also launching February 28, 2025. Price is 1,620 USD. So please check with your CAs for pre-orders of this beautiful collection. Material is Empreinte leather and the colorway is named chocolate. So this one would come with the classic Félicie Pochette details. Then of course, SLGs. First we have the Romy card holder. Price of this one is 545 USD. Material is Empreinte leather and the color is still chocolate. It would come with gold hardware. I love the pull tab of the zipper. It comes with the LV logo. Then this is the back side, so it holds a number of cards, and of course it has a one zippered compartment for your bills. Then we have a vitrine wallet. Price of this one is 730 USD. It would come with the same material of the very beautiful Empreinte leather. It would come in the chocolate colorway, and this is the interior, guys. One zippered interior. It would has card slot, and it would be having a gold hardware as well. So this would be launching February 28, 2025. Next on the chocolate Empreinte collection, we have the very beautiful mini Bumbag. I'm sure this is a fan favorite and many of you have this. So price of this one is 2,160 USD. Material is Empreinte leather with the colorway of chocolate. I love actually the combination of chocolate colorway with the gold hardware, as we can see here. Next, we have the Speedy bandolier size 25. I love this bag. Price of this one is 2,719 USD. So as we are going to notice, the Louis Vuitton monogram is the giant one, but I do love this one because it's a little bit understated. It is not the bicolor design. It would come with the standout gold hardware as well with detachable leather strap. Next, we have the Loop Hobo. Price of the Loop Hobo is 3,100 USD. Materials Empreinte leather. So this is the interior. It would come with detachable mini pochette in leather as well. So the lining is the same colorway. It would come with two straps, adjustable leather strap, and detachable gold chain strap. Super cute and very beautiful functional bag. Next, we have the On The Go size MM. Price of this one is 3,450 USD. Materials Empreinte leather. Colorway is chocolate. This is the interior, guys. As you can see, it doesn't have any closure, so you could wear it as a top handle. You could wear it as a shoulder bag like this, and of course you could carry it like this with the model. Next, we have the Easy Pouch on Strap. Price of this one is 1,650. So we do not have the actual photo yet, but definitely it would come still with the chocolate Empreinte leather colorway. Gold hardware. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. It would come with a chain strap as well. So you could wear this one, as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. Then we have the On The Go PM. Price of this one is 3,700 USD. Material is Empreinte leather, but guys, different colorway. So monogram bold, noir, and the hardware now is silver. It would come with detachable leather strap, detachable chain strap, and it would be launching February 28, 2025. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hopefully you did. If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a flower emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!